If you're looking for an e-commerce platform, you've probably heard of Shopify. Now, Shopify has been around for a very long time. They're pretty much the run-to. However, today we're putting them head-to-head with Hotmart. We want to figure out who's actually better and if this underdog is taking the new spot at the top. So let's check them out. All right, we're looking at Shopify now, and Shopify is a classic. Let's have a look what they have to offer. So first of all, a very intuitive store builder. If you've ever jumped into Shopify, you'll know that you could pretty much do anything quickly and easily because they have a drag and drop interface, which empowers you to create professional online storefronts without writing a single line of code. The visual editor lets you see changes in real time as you're actually building. They have a theme marketplace, so you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed mobile responsive themes, and they each offer various styles that can be fully customized to match your brand's identity as well as your product needs. You can extend your store's functionality with over 8,000 apps from the Shopify App Store, covering anything from inventory management to marketing automation and customer support, and literally everything in between. They also have fantastic commerce and marketing tools, so they have payment and checkouts. You can accept more than 100 payment methods with their built-in fraud analysis and secure checkout. It also includes automatic shipping rate calculations and tax compliance tools that streamline the purchase process, making it easy for your customers to make purchases from your business. You can also manage your SEO settings, create email campaigns, and run social media promotions from one single dashboard. It's got built-in analytics, which helps optimize marketing spend as well as strategy, and it has omni-channel selling. So you can connect in-person and online sales within your Shopify POS. Your inventory, customer data, and your purchase history can sync across all channels for one unified commerce experience. The last thing over here is their operations and insights. So real insights, let's have a look here. Let's expand this. So you get real-time analytics. You gain deep insights into your sales records, customer behavior, marketing performance, and you have customizable reports as well as dashboards so that you can see all of your data the way you need to see it. You can also manage your stock control, access to all your channels. You can track product variants and receive low stock alerts to even optimize your inventory flow. You can also automate shipping processes with integrated label printing, diverse carrier options, and even real-time order tracking. All right, let's jump into Hotmart now. Hotmart is an all-in-one e-commerce platform for digital creators. You can build and monetize. So you can create and sell digital products like online courses, memberships, ebooks, and live events with an intuitive platform designed specifically for creators. One of the lovely things is that there are no upfront costs. So there are 0 monthly fees, which means you only pay a percentage after you make sales. This means that there's no financial risk, no coding required, and no clunky integrations to manage. It is also trusted worldwide. So if you are going to use Hotmart, you can join thousands of successful creators globally who've launched and scaled their online businesses efficiently with Hotmart's proven infrastructure. Let's have a look a little bit more. So first of all, they offer automatic currency conversions. Your product prices instantly convert to local currencies for buyers in any country, eliminating confusion and reducing cart abandonment at your checkout. Also, they accept payments through popular options like Venmo, Apple Pay, PayPal, and region-specific methods. This drastically boosts conversion rates across all markets. Hotmart also handles all currency exchanges and tax compliance complexities, depositing your earnings directly into your local currency without the administrative burden. And there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I always advise everybody that watches my videos to make sure that they're going out and using the software for themselves to see if it actually works for them. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.